All right, and welcome to my site. This is Mary Holm Media, and it's all about the media that I create. I do photography, graphic design, and brand direction. So this is just a little bit of a look into it. This is a slider with some of my favorite work that I've done, and you can just click through here and look at that, my logo that I created, and then just about me. Then let's look at my contact and about page. So this is just going to have a picture of me and just so people can get to know me better, so I'm not just, a person behind the screen. And then ways they can contact me, and then a link to my Facebook and to my Instagram. Then let's look. This is where pretty much all my blog posts are going to be. So I don't have anything in portrait right now. I will eventually, but let's look at the fine art. Fine art, we're going to have landscape light painting photography and indoor light painting photography, and those just go into more in-depth and show basically what I have on there. Then let's look at creative. I'll have a few more blog posts in this. These are some more that I've created. And then I'll show you this post. This is going to be some food and product photography that I've done, which is my favorite type of photography to do. So I just have this, and all of the images are clickable, and I have some good SEO going. And I just have these, and then for SEO, I also have a link to another site for people to look at. Then let's look at my store. And then I just created some digital products for people to download, and then a service of creating a custom brand logo, because that's what I like to do for people. And yeah, that's pretty much my site. I also have my Instagram on the side and the sidebar and some different comments that I have and a little bit about me. I love creating this website. I think it was so fun. I love web design. I also learned a lot. I learned how to make my website go faster. I learned how to, you have to like encode the font that you want, even if it's already there, because for the longest time I would not do that. And I also coded these differently, because it used to do like a big block on it, and I really didn't like that. So I just learned how to make it more appealing and work more efficient, and yeah, I just love doing it. Thanks.